Tick-tock scrolls, our voices fade. Beats we crafted, thieves parade. Clips blow up while we stand still. The art they steal is paying their bills. Hey TikTok, that song's not free. It's blood and time and history. You dance to dreams we fought to keep. Don't steal the soul that makes it deep. Every hook a piece we bled. Now it loops with no word said. Creators cry, their rights denied, while algorithms choose the lie. We're not your background, not your trend. We're stories sung from start to end. So turn the tables, hear the plea, respect the sound, respect the beat. Give credit back, don't fake the sound. TikTok, respect the underground.